Hello guys, this is the 1722 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo coming into Bournemouth. This unit was forming the 1658 off Poole. Once the attachment is complete, it will then call at Folkestone, Christchurch, New Milton, Brockenhurst, Southampton Central, Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction, and finally London Waterloo. What is this number? Oh, is that 025? 025. Oh. Oh. That is incredibly annoying. This one. Huh? Here comes the 1225 cross-country service from Manchester Piccadilly, formed of, I think, another 220. What is it? Yeah. 22031 on the terminating service. This cross-country service would have called Stockport, Macclesfield, Stoke-on-Trent, Wolverhampton, Stafford. No. On the way back, this service will form the 1745 cross-country service to Manchester Piccadilly, calling at Southampton Central, Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Reading, Oxford, Banbury, Leamington Spa, Coventry, Birmingham International, Birmingham New Street, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Stoke-on-Trent, Macclesfield, Stockport and Manchester Piccadilly. And this unit will go off into the sidings. Here goes 220031 and on an ECS movement. And that service is still there. What's the other unit? I think that might be the... Okay, it's about to now. Here goes the 1722 South Western Railway service to London Waterloo. Now formed the 444025, and we'll get the other unit for you in a second. This service will call at Folkestone, Christchurch, New Milton, Brockenhurst, Southampton Central, Southampton Airport Parkway, Winchester, Basingstoke, Clapham Junction and Waterloo. And that back one was 444034. And a couple of weeks ago, I got talking to another really nice young man who is also a fan. And this is just a quick shout out to Ollie. So, thanks for watching.